To make a quick video about the 300E. If your 300E is running hot, it could be something as simple as this fan in the front. My fan was not working, and what I did was I went over to the sensor, and there's this wire here. If you pull this off and run a paper clip between these two, and the fan comes on, that will tell you that it's just this sensor. So I replaced the sensor, and now my 300E is running a lot cooler, and it's very important to have that fan spinning, especially when it's like 90 degrees out. Otherwise your 300E could overheat. So just get that checked. I got that sensor for like $9 on eBay. The fan won't come on until the motor gets at least like more than halfway on the temperature gauge. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know. It really helped my engine out, and that's it. Thank you.